Welcome back to Camper Cooking. Today we are going to be grilling some fish. What was called a pecan panko fish. So first things we do, we put together a little sauce that we dip the fish in, and then go with that. To start with, we have about 4 teaspoons of mustard. We use a Dijon horseradish mustard, about 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then about 4 teaspoons of honey that I'm going to add now. Okay, once we have the honey and the mustard and the mayonnaise together, we're going to mix it all up. This will be a sauce that we coat the fish in. Always funny about these ingredients, they're kind of thick as they are alone, but once you stir them all up, it actually becomes kind of thin. It's kind of a neat effect. And next step, we're going to prepare our breading for the fish, and it is again panko, pecans, and thyme as a seasoning. So we have about a cup of panko crumbs, have about a half a cup of finely chopped pecans, and we have about a teaspoon or a tablespoon here of thyme. We're going to dump that in. And we're just going to stir this up, get it all mixed up real nice. Okay, now we're ready to coat the fish and get them on the grill. So the fish we're preparing today is amberjack. It's a really nice fish, but it's a really mild fish. It's kind of a mix between mahi-mahi and tuna. Actually, I think it's really good. So what we're going to do here, we've got the fish cut into serving size pieces, some a little bigger, some a little smaller, no thicker than about an inch. This was a fairly large fish that we caught back earlier in the year, and we've got it down to sizes we can handle. So I've got a pan here that's I've already sprayed with a non-stick cooking spray. So we're just going to, the first step here is to dip the fish into the batter, lay them out on the pan.
Oh, yeah.
Next step, we're just going to cover the fish with the panko and thyme and pecan crumbs. Just going to use my hands, kind of spread it in and embed it just a little bit into the fish. Make sure they're all covered very nicely. Okay, they're ready for the grill. So we have our grill set up for about 425 degrees, in that range. We're going to put the fish on the grill. It takes about 8 minutes or so to get this fish done. So the fish has been on for just over 8 minutes, so we're going to give it a little bit of a check here. One of these thicker pieces back here, make sure that it's all done. Relax just a little bit. So I'm going to slide this around because there's less heat on this side, and these big thick pieces need more heat, so we'll leave them for a couple more minutes. Alright, the fish is done. It's been on for about 10 minutes on these real thick pieces, so we're ready to eat. That's right.
Check out our other recipes and playlists, and we'll see you next time for Second Helpings.